brown girl from the 305. Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and click the subscribe button and be a part of the family. Also, all of my social medias will be linked down below, so follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I was like, I know I'm missing one. But anyways, today's gonna be like a quick mini unboxing. I got some things in the mail while I was away from holiday, and I wanted to kind of open it up with you guys. So there's 3 large boxes here, as you guys can see. But I just wanted to kind of open these things up with you, since why not? So the first box that I'm going to open is by Mercier. I am a part of their PR list, so they do send me a box monthly. So shout out to Mercier for always sponsoring me. They send me the most dopest things ever. So we're gonna open this box and see what they gave me this month. I know it's the holiday season, so mainly this is probably gonna be like something from their upcoming collection that is coming up. So let's see. Okay, so this says, Happy Holiday, Cynthia. Happy Holiday, Cynthia. Enjoy this assortment from Mercier's Wrapped with Love Holiday Collection and scan to experience more. So let's see what they got me. So the first box here is a Flawless Encounter Translucent Loose Setting Power and Puff. Oh shoot, I really wanted a puff too. So here is the puff that it comes with. I'm actually going to be using this to set my concealer, because I have been using a beauty blender, like a damp beauty blender. I haven't been liking the dampness from the setting powder that I've been using, which is the CoverGirl. Shout out to CoverGirl too. So I'm going to be using this puff that it comes with. So this is the translucent powder. Now they have new packaging, which I love. So thank you so much, Mercier. This packaging is beautiful. I love the matte-ness of the actual bottle. So this is going to be in the translucent honey, which is closer to my skin tone. Of course, sometimes Mercier does send me like their translucent powder, which is just a white finely milled powder, but sometimes they do, well, they do now have translucent powder that is similar to your skin tone or your complexion. So they did send me this in the color of honey. And then the next thing they sent me was the Heart of Glaze. Yeah, that is glaze. So they sent me a lip. Ooh, this lip gloss is cute. It has shimmer, and this has also a pink shimmer as well. Now I love Mercier's lip glosses. They last all day. They don't get sticky, and usually when I wear my hair down, it doesn't get stuck to my lips, and that's one of my biggest pet peeves when it comes to lip gloss. So I love that they have these new shades out. So this one's in Starlit, which is a little bit of a sheer, but it has a little flecks of glitter in it, or it has some shimmer in it. The other one that they sent me was Sugar Plum, and this is more so of a mauve, and it does have a little bit of gold shimmer in it as well. So I'm going to be using these 2 lip glosses. Now I'm usually a red girl. Hello, I have red on right now. I love red lipstick. It's my signature look. Everybody knows me and my family, or anybody, my friends, anybody who knows me on the internet, like you guys always see that I wear red lipstick. Red lipstick is my staple piece. I always wear red. Like it never fails. Rarely wear nudes. It's always red, but I'm gonna try these 2 lip glosses and see how I love them. And I absolutely appreciate you. Thank you for, you know, allowing a brown girl from the 305 to be on your PR list, and I've been with them for years now. So thank you so much, Mercier. This is a big box. Okay, let me open it from the bottom because I can't see the packaging from the top. Okay. Oh my god. So this is from Sunny in Denbigh. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I am so sorry. Now this is a black owned business. Shout out to her, because I've been I recently found her on the internet because I've been looking for some new products for my hair. Especially I wanted to support a company that is black owned. So I purchased a lot of things from her Black Friday sale recently that she had. I got the hydration bundle because my hair is colored, duh. So I had to get something to bring some sort of hydration back into my hair, because colored hair, like especially red hair, dries out really fast. It's herbal growth oil. So you apply this directly to the affected areas as needed and gently massage to increase circulation to scalp. I can see all the herbs that are in here. Oh my god, I can tell there's already rosemary in here. It's like this looks like this is something that she cooked up in her kitchen, and I can't wait to try this. It's 100% natural ingredients. So this is their herbal growth oil, so I'm going to be using this. She also sent me black soap shampoo. Oh, you guys, I feel like she makes these in her kitchen because just the packaging alone, you can tell this was made with love, because you can tell this was not manufactured in some sort of big warehouse. You can tell that she put a lot of love into these products. So this is the black soap shampoo. I did need a new shampoo. The shampoo that I'm currently using is by Curls. Smells like blackberries or blueberries. I'm out of that, so I'm glad that I got some black soap shampoo. I have the leave-in conditioner and detangler. So it says shake well before use, apply to hair as needed for daily moisture and detangling. Ingredients: marshmallow root, slippery elm bark, herbal tea, and essential oil. So I'm going to be using this to kind of keep my hair hydrated. You can tell this is like made from love. Like, you can tell she sat down and kind of wrapped all of this up herself. I love supporting businesses like this because you can tell like they pay attention to a lot of detail. It's very meticulous when buying from these businesses. So overnight deep conditioner. Apply warm deep conditioner to damp hair before shampooing. Cover with plastic cap and allow conditioner to work. Leave in product in hair for at least 4 hours, then rinse. Ooh, this is going to be a perfect Sunday reset video. I'm going to use, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a separate video on these products and actually do like a full tutorial, because I really want to try these products with you guys so you guys can kind of see how it works on my hair. So I'm excited to use this. So this deep conditioner is an overnight deep conditioner, and I like to do deep conditioners on Sundays because those are like my relaxed days. So I'm going to use that. She gave me a misting bottle as well, so I'll be adding any essential oils or water to kind of refresh my curls. Look at her. Thank you for your purchase. And this is her. Isn't she beautiful? She's absolutely beautiful. Naturalista. But thank you so much. I cannot wait to use this. And her products are very affordable, you guys. So if you guys really want something that's black owned and it's black girl friendly, I would definitely try their products or her products. The company is Sunny in Dubai. Sunny in Dubai. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. If I'm not, please forgive me, but I will be doing a full tutorial on these products, so stay tuned for that. Now, the last product that I got, this is literally a mini haul. I'm really excited about this product because I've been really wanting this product. I saw this particular item on Kyra Omanique here on YouTube. She is also a vlogger. She lives in Atlanta. She had a pair of shades that I was like, oh my god, where she got them shades from? And I absolutely love them. I couldn't find the exact ones that she had, but I got something that was similar to it. And I'm excited for this because I needed some sort of like vacay shades. So when I went on vacation, so I brought these, and these are designer. And this is where it comes with. Now, I got this particular shades off of TheRealReal. It is a designer store. They sell a lot of affordable designer items as well. So if you don't want to break a leg to buy designer items and you've been on a budget and you know you have a certain amount of money that you do want to spend, please check out TheRealReal, because this is where I brought a lot of my Louboutins, some of my Chanel bags, and I brought a lot of high-end designers, not for full price, and they are real authentic items on that website. They're just a lot more affordable and a discounted rate. Some of them are consignments as well, so please check out that website. So the shades that I got, I'm so excited. That I got were the Bottega Veneta, and I wanted these shades. Like, these shades are absolutely beautiful. So I'm actually going to put them on so you guys can kind of see how it kind of looks on my face and how they're framed. And of course, TheRealReal has their plastic tag on it. Once you take off the tag, you cannot return it, and I don't plan on returning it anyway, so that I won't be returning. But these are the shades. Oh my god, I love them so much. These are the shades. I can't wait to wear these on vacation. Of course, they have Bottega on the side. These are some cute shades that I'm going to be wearing on vacation soon. These do have a little bit of a darker frame, and of course there's the gold details as well on these shades. So these are what I got. And I can't wait to wear these shades on the beach. Okay, on the beach, laying down my bikini, thong bikini somewhere. And I love that it comes with the box, and also inside of the box it does come with a duster. Not a duster, but it does come with a cloth to clean your shades as well. So I'll be leaving that in there. So that is pretty much all the things that I got in this small mini haul. Hopefully you guys like this particular video. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and share. Also subscribe if you like this particular content. Also follow me on all of my social medias, which will be linked all the way down below somewhere on the screen. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video or my next reading, and